Discover the Revopoint MIRACO Plus, a next-generation all-in-one handheld 3D scanner designed for professionals who demand exceptional accuracy, portability, and versatility. Whether you're working in engineering, product design, reverse engineering, quality inspection, digital art, healthcare, or 3D printing, the MIRACO Plus delivers high-precision scanning in a compact and powerful device. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Revopoint MIRACO Plus 3D scanner and explore its advanced features, including ultra-high 0.02 mm precision, photogrammetric metrology capabilities, all-in-one standalone operation, and the ability to scan everything from small mechanical components to full-body human models with outstanding detail. Unlike traditional 3D scanners that require a constant connection to a computer, the MIRACO Plus is a fully integrated standalone solution with a built-in display and onboard processing, allowing users to scan, preview, and process projects anywhere with maximum flexibility. Whether you are creating digital twins, inspecting industrial parts, preserving cultural heritage, designing custom products, or preparing models for 3D printing, the MIRACO Plus provides professional-grade performance in a lightweight handheld design. Key features: professional all-in-one handheld 3D scanner, high-precision scanning with up to 0.02 mm accuracy, photogrammetric metrology kit support, standalone scanning without a computer, built-in touchscreen display, real-time scan preview, high-resolution 3D data capture, suitable for small, medium, and large objects, full-body human scanning capability, reverse engineering applications, quality inspection and metrology, product design and prototyping, digital archiving and preservation, rapid 3D model generation, optimized workflow for 3D printing, portable and lightweight design, fast and efficient scanning performance, professional-grade scanning software, high-detail texture and geometry capture, easy export to popular CAD and 3D modeling software. The integrated photogrammetric metrology kit significantly enhances measurement accuracy when scanning large objects, making the MIRACO Plus an excellent choice for industrial inspection, manufacturing, automotive applications, aerospace engineering, and research environments where precision is essential. Its powerful onboard processing system enables users to perform scans directly on the device, eliminating the need to carry additional hardware while improving workflow efficiency in the field or the workshop. The scanner is capable of capturing highly detailed geometry with exceptional accuracy, making it ideal for reverse engineering, custom manufacturing, museum preservation, medical modeling, character creation, animation, and professional 3D printing. Its ergonomic handheld design allows users to scan complex shapes, intricate surfaces, and large objects comfortably while maintaining excellent tracking stability and reliable data capture throughout the scanning process. Whether you are a professional engineer, product designer, 3D artist, manufacturer, educator, researcher, or maker, the Revopoint MIRACO Plus provides an advanced and reliable solution for creating accurate digital models with speed and precision. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews of professional 3D scanners, 3D printers, digital manufacturing equipment, reverse engineering tools, and the latest innovations in 3D technology.